Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are into business, entrepreneurship, tips and tools on growing your brand, then definitely subscribe, hit the like button, because this channel is about all of those things and more. Stick around because in this video I'll be giving my practical answers to the question, how to become successful. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. I'm going to answer what seems like one of life's most common questions. How do I become successful? My answers are actually quite simple and practical and can be implemented right away by anyone. Everyone's definition of success may differ, but in this video, I think the answers will be universal and can be applied to anyone looking to take themselves to the next level. So here are the few answers, in my opinion, on how to properly become successful. So the first answer I have is to get around the right people. This point is vital when it comes to getting on the fast track to success. Getting around the right people can mean getting around those who encourage you, getting around those who support you, getting around those who've already achieved what you are looking to achieve, getting around those who won't let you give up, so on and so forth. Being around the right people gives you the extra push and confidence to get to the next level of you achieving your goals and beyond. When you see others do what it is that you're looking to do, it gives you a spark to go ahead and do the same thing or greater. The next answer I have is to be willing to learn and to be teachable. No one goes into any new endeavor and knows everything that there is to know about it right off the bat. We can study something, but it's when we put ourselves inside of it, that is when we go ahead and gain experience. Be willing to have experiences and let those experiences grow your expertise. Also, there are people who have gone before and have the knowledge and skills in their field that you can go to for direction and education. Make sure to do your due diligence to ensure that those people are credible. These people can be mentors or people who give out information for free or as a paid service. When you come across these people, don't be afraid of taking their information so that you can implement it in what you're trying to do. The next answer I have is to use tools and resources that will help you. One part of being successful is being more efficient and getting to the next level. Apart from mentors, you can use tools and softwares to make your endeavor a whole lot easier. For example, if you're looking on how to become more wealthy, you can read books on how to become more wealthy. If you're looking to gain more knowledge about a certain industry or topic at your own pace, you can use an online education platform like Udemy. If you're looking to be more efficient at making videos, you can use a software like Viddyoze or Adobe Premiere Pro. If you need to be more efficient at making graphics for your business as professional and as cost effective as possible, you can use a service like Canva. You get the picture. By the way, if you are interested in any tools that are helpful in providing efficiency and taking you to the next level, I have links in the description that you can use to sign up and go ahead and take advantage of those tools. Don't be afraid to leverage what's already available out there to you so you can shortcut your way to success. So the next answer I have is to practice to get better. Doing something repeatedly makes you better at it. Constant repetition creates muscle memory, so to speak. To be successful at something, you have to dedicate time and effort to work at it constantly. When you start to work at something over and over, that is when you become more familiar at what works and will be able to start building on top of the skill and expertise that you gain by doing it over and over all the time. So definitely make sure to master the skill or skills that are required to get you to the next level. The next answer I have is to learn from your failure. Never be afraid of something not working out as you planned. Every experience is supposed to be designed to make you wiser. Most people think failure is a bad thing. Failure can actually be the best thing. Again, no one comes into something new with all the answers. So if you fail and don't stay down, but get back up, your answer to your next destination should be much clearer. So never be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. The next answer I have is don't compare your journey. Don't compare your journey to someone else's journey. Some people may get quicker results than you, but that is not your business and not your focus. Your focus should be reaching your own goals that you have set and to pursue your goals with tunnel vision. It's a great idea to be inspired by others, but it's detrimental to compare yourself to others. Be you, learn, grow, and have fun, and embrace your own narrative. And the last answer that I have is to have passion and never stop being motivated. In one of my other videos, I talk about having passion. Always be passionate about achieving what it is that you want to achieve. Passion will keep you motivated no matter how long it takes for you to reach your goals. I am a huge advocate for starting an endeavor that you are passionate about. The best things are worth working for, and if you're not passionate about what it is that you're doing, it will be tough to continue and stay motivated. You can also stay motivated by being inspired by others and by belonging to a community of like-minded people who are on the same path or who have achieved higher. So, in conclusion, those are my quick answers on how to become successful. I want to thank you so much again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Leave a comment about what it is that keeps you motivated. I would love to see what you all have to say. Also, I have links in the description that you can check out to support the channel. If you got any value out of this, definitely don't be afraid to support the channel and subscribe. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.